In this video, I'm going to show you how to export chart data from TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do is open your chart and then select the correct symbol and time frame over here on the left. So first click on here, select the correct symbol. I'm just gonna go with Bitcoin USD, and then of course you want to select the correct time frame over here as well. I'm gonna leave it as 1 hour. Of course, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Now then, you want to go to the top, and here you can see the name of your layout. So you want to click on the Manage Layouts button, the arrow down, the drop down, and here it says Download Chart Data. Now, you have to note that to be able to do this, you'll have to have a paid plan, okay? So without a paid plan, unfortunately, on the free plan, this is not going to be available. So I'm going to click on Download Chart Data, and then from here, you can again select your chart, you can select the time format, and then here you can click on Download, and there we go. That's all you have to do to export the chart data. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.